Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I talk about King Sangiliyan Minister House. Those who have not subscribed, subscribe now.
Jaffna and the Jaffna Kingdom.
Jaffna, in northern Sri Lanka, is a vibrant city steeped in history and culture. Once the heart of the ancient Jaffna Kingdom, this region thrived from the 13th to the 17th centuries. King Sangiliyan, the kingdom's last ruler, is remembered for his resistance against Portuguese colonization, making his legacy a powerful symbol of pride for the Tamil people. Among the historical remnants of this era is King Sangiliyan's Minister's House, an ancient residence that offers a unique glimpse into the governance and culture of the time.
The Minister's House, a glimpse into royal governance.
Located in Nallur, Jaffna, the Minister's House was the residence of one of King Sangiliyan's key ministers. This historical landmark provides a rare look into the lives of the kingdom's elite, who played crucial roles in governance. The house stands today as a testament to Tamil resilience and the autonomy of the Jaffna Kingdom, representing the pride and legacy of the Tamil community before colonial powers arrived.
Architectural significance and Dravidian influence.
The Minister's House showcases Dravidian-style architecture, which is distinct to Tamil heritage. The building's intricate stone pillars, spacious courtyards, and open verandas are emblematic of traditional Tamil domestic architecture, highlighting the artistry and cultural depth of the Jaffna Kingdom.
Experiencing local culture and legends.
A visit to the Minister's House offers more than historical insight. It's an immersive experience into Jaffna's vibrant Tamil culture. The surrounding area is alive with Tamil music, local cuisine, and engaging stories from locals about King Sangiliyan, adding a mythical layer to the visit. These stories, passed down through generations, offer an authentic connection to the cultural pride of the Tamil community.
Location and accessibility. Reaching King Sangiliyan's Minister's House.
King Sangiliyan's Minister's House is located in Nallur, Jaffna, an area renowned for its historical significance. Visitors can reach Jaffna via flights to Jaffna International Airport or by taking a scenic train journey from Colombo. Once in Jaffna, the Minister's House is only a short drive away and can be easily accessed by local tuk-tuks or taxis. Nallur is also home to other iconic landmarks, such as the Nallur Kandaswamy Temple and Jaffna Fort, making it an ideal location for a day of exploration and immersion into the rich history of the Jaffna Kingdom.
Conclusion: a step back into history.
Visiting King Sangiliyan's Minister's House allows travelers to step back into the legacy of the Jaffna Kingdom and experience the heritage of Tamil culture in Sri Lanka. For history and culture enthusiasts, the Minister's House is a must-visit, connecting visitors to a unique and enduring part of Sri Lanka's past.